How's it going, everybody? Crusader here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to get pre-approval and pre-qualification letters in the mail. Also, I'm going to give you guys an update about that hard inquiry that I called in on. And also, I'm going to be giving you guys some information about some changes that I've been seeing in the authorized user trade line arena. So stay tuned. Okay, now for the content. First thing I want to go over is let you guys know that, remember when I called into Experian to have the hard inquiry removed? Well, I got letters in the mail saying that there was a security freeze put on my TransUnion and Equifax. So the left hand, I guess, is talking to the right. I just want to let you guys know that. But again, the inquiry was removed. So moving forward, I've also noticed some things as far as AU trade lines are concerned. Citibank, you can now, for some reason, add more than 5 people on your Citibank credit card. I don't know how many. I don't know if they've, what the limit is, but I know it's now more than 5 because I recently done it. So, just want to let you guys know that's something that's new. Also, I've noticed that Synchrony, some of their cards like, Sam Ash and Levine Furniture, before, you couldn't add authorized users on to those cards. They just wouldn't let you do it. Now they do. There's a place for you to do it. Now, I don't know if they post yet, but what I will say is that there's a place that allows you to add people. And because they're Synchrony, I'm pretty sure that they're going to post just like a car care or care credit, something like that. So that's exciting news for some of you people that may have had those cards and wanted to sell them, and now you can. So that's just something I want to let you guys in on. Also, I got some pre-qualification letter or pre-approval letter in the mail from Citibank, and this is some tricky ass shit, or sneaky anyways. This is what they did. They're saying that they're going to convert my card. Now, I wish I would have kept the pamphlet that they gave me so I'd let you guys see it. But basically, their offer was that they were going to convert my old card into a new card. Now, and they're going to do all this great stuff for me and it's going to be all great and the card's way better. The way I see it is I'm going to call bullshit, because why would they change a card that was better for me? They would change a card. They would change the card if it was better for them. That's just the way I see things. I mean, I guess I'm a little skeptical of, banks and so forth. So, and also I don't want that card getting changed because I will lose all the history. I'll lose the age. I've seen this happen. I've seen it with a care credit account where someone had an old care credit account and they had the card converted over and boom, instantly lost all the age. Basically, it was like they closed the one account and opened a brand new account. That's something you want to avoid doing. So whenever they get these convert your card letters in the mail, I just throw them out. Because it's never a good idea, in my opinion, to convert your card. I mean, going from like secured to regular, that's fine, but not if you have an old card and they're wanting to convert it, I'd pass. Also, I'm going to be giving you guys, the information about how to get pre-qualification letters sent to you so you get solicited offers. And the way you do it is through your credit monitoring. I'm going to walk you through the steps right now, so listen up. First thing you want to do is go to the opt-in, opt-out pre-screen website. You want to opt in. Very important. Make sure that all the information is 100% accurate. The address, birth date, social, all that stuff. They even ask for your social. Then what I need you to do is make sure you have credit monitoring. You want to get Credit Karma, Experian, and Wallet Hub. Don't worry, they're all free. Won't cost you anything. One of the reasons that these 3 credit monitoring services are free is because they sell your information. It's lead generation for the banks. So what they do is they take your information, your credit score and all that good stuff, and they're going to push it out to, different credit card companies, and then they're in turn going to send you offers. But a way to really speed this up is if you go and apply for a loan. Not apply for a loan, a pre-qualification for a loan. All 3 of these credit monitoring softwares have that. You want to go apply or get pre-qualified for a personal loan, put in your information. Now this part is key. You want to put, you make about $86,000 to $87,000. You want to put that you have a bachelor's degree. And I mean, some people say you want to put you own, but I've had it to where I say I rent, and that's fine too. I mean, you know, whatever's clever as far as that's concerned. Make sure that you don't put your living expenses super high. You want to keep them on the low side. So if I put $86,000, I'd usually put, I don't know, something like, you know, $750 a month or something as far as living expenses are concerned. Now you go through the pre-qualification process of getting the loan through the credit monitoring. They're going to either send you offers saying, hey, you were denied, or hey, you know, they're going to offer you this and that. None of that stuff really matters. The only thing that matters is your information has now been pushed out into the system as far as, you know, being able to be picked up by different companies to see if you qualify for either a credit card or a loan or something. So based on that, you're going to start getting pre-qualification offers in the mail. Usually it's like, I want to say like every month is when you can do it. You could do it once a month or maybe once a week. I don't know. I think it's at least once a month, but maybe once a week. You can do this push where you go through into your credit monitoring, push out all your information to try to get pre-qualified, and then that's going to alert all the different affiliates of those credit monitoring softwares that who you are, what your credit score is, where you live, all that good stuff, so they can send you the offers. That's just some free advice. You heard it from the Credit Crusader. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.